How to tell if you've been blocked in Android text. So if you want to know if you've been blocked in Android text, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Messenger application or Messages application on your Android. After opening your Messages, now you need to just go with the chat. Like for example, I'm here with this chat. Now, if you want to know that if this person has blocked you or not, then if you try to message something or send something, and if you cannot send the message to this person, this means that the person has blocked you on your Android text or on the phone that they have. You will not be able to either call them or text them for any occasion. You can also take another phone or another SIM that you have and try messaging the person. And if you are being able to message the person from the other device or from the other SIM, and if you're not being able to message from your device, then it means that you have been blocked. That's how you can tell if someone has blocked you in your Android text. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.